Do you know you can start investing with just small amount and eventually grow into thousands and millions? I did it myself. Today I will show you exactly how I did, and you will apply it to you, and you yourself make the same or more than me. Let's dive in. This is Alex Chavari. I make my about finances. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your high boost. The first thing which you need to start to know is start small. For you to start investing, you do not need that huge amount of capital to start. No, with that your 100, with your 200, with your 1000, with your 10,000, with your 1 million, whichever amount of money which you have, start small. Hmm? And I remember the time I started investing in these shares, I earned on 1,300 Kenyan shillings. And if I can tell you, if I can decide to sell those shares currently now, I can make a lot of money from it. I'm going to tell you which is that company which I invested using that money that time. So you need to start small. The second thing which you need to do is consistency. Hmm? Invest consistency. After I invested, I started having dividend. You see, there is the capital gains. There is that kautamtam yani. There is that happiness when you see, for example, you are bought at a certain amount, the following day the money has increased. Those small small wins, they really motivated me. Hmm. You buy these shares on a regular basis. Let's say on monthly, you can buy them on weekly, and depending with your capacity of money. The third thing which you need to do is you need to do diversification. What does it mean by diversification? This is whereby you buy shares from different companies, either from the banking sector, the energy sector, the telecommunication, hmm, the agriculture. There are those sectors there. Don't rely on one sector. Diversify. This is whereby you buy those shares. You see, this one is giving dividend. The other one, you get the capital gain. They interchange, they intermarry like that. And it is a good thing or a key factor which you need to consider when you want to venture into investment of the shares. The fourth principle which we need to look upon is long-term patience. By that time, I was planning to buy shares and not buy them to buy today and sell them tomorrow. No. I know there is that katama. Yes, you see that the money has increased. You feel that you can sell. No. You buy these shares for long term. And even if you are planning for the short term goal, still it is okay. Whenever you make money, sell. But then we venture into the buying shares with the different goals. If yours is to make, if you make a capital gain, you sell and buy from another company, well and good. If yourself you are prioritizing on getting dividend and having capital gains, well and good. We are on a different mission. Hmm? For example, I myself I started investing with KPLC, Kenya Power Limited Company. This is a company which supplies electricity in Kenya, like the one I'm using currently. This share of this company, they were trending at 1.46 per share. Imagine with your 146 shillings, you could afford to have 100 shares of that company. And you can look in today's Nairobi Security Exchange. This company is trading at around 11 point something. Imagine my money has multiplied 11 times. 11 times. And there are other companies. I'm not going to mention them. The likes of the Kengen, the banking sector, some companies there. This is a very good area for you to venture into it. Remember that it is medium to high risk, and do not invest something which you are not capable of losing. But it is a game. You either win or you either lose. Okay. So before you start investing, by the way, did you subscribe? Okay, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Before you start investing in these shares, please always do company research. Follow the market news. Never invest money you know you can't afford to lose, or you can't afford to wait for long term. So what do you need to do? Start now. Start small, and I believe that those your small amount of money will multiply in the coming years. So it is start now, be patient, and the money will work for you. Currently, I am celebrating. Although from the other side of the money market fund, the interest it is shrinking. But from the side of the shares, I'm celebrating. Getting dividend, capital gains, I'm really appreciating. And if you don't know how you can start to invest in shares, for example, if you are Kenyan, my number is always in the description of every video. And thank you for watching till the end. Watch this video, the next. Thank you. Bye bye.